Hi guys! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Melanie, aka Contempairs. I miss making video. I miss you guys. And for today's video, I will be opening or unboxing my Victoria's Secret. Ta-da! My hubby and I picked this. Actually, he's the one who said, I'm gonna buy one. So, eto na. It arrived perfectly timing. So, I'll be opening them. Here are they. And let's see how they look like. And maybe I'll do a try on if they're not really that, hindi sila masyado masagwa. Pero kung masyado silang sexy, hindi na papakita, syempre. Para hindi ako ma-demonetize. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump into it and let's get started.
Mabuhay! Do you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life? Consider joining my squad. All you have to do is subscribe for good vibes.
Ayan, di ba gumawa akong video regarding my retail shop and it's been operating, it's doing well, and I just want to show you what I'm wearing. These are some products from my website. I will put my website in the description below. Please check it out, and you can go to my FB page, Contempairs. I do live selling there. My regular time would be Saturday. So, I'll see you there, guys. And let's open this. Ito pala is part ng aking retail shop and website. This is Sia. It's a bralette. Ayan, for $15 guys. Ang ganda na ng bralette. Meron na siyang padding. And then, this kimono, part of my Contempairs collection. So, make sure to check it out. And, eto na, open na natin talaga. Open na natin siya. Eto na. Exciting! Ano kaya itong mga... Parang nakalimutan ko ano yung mga kinuha namin. Eto na. O-open na natin. Exciting! Yan. Alright. Ito na. Ilan ba to? Victoria's Secret, diba? Madalang lang ako magka-Victoria's Secret. Secret, kaya dapat, make it special ang opening. So, eto na. Ito na. Eto na. Wow! This is the Victoria's Secret. Made in Indonesia pala ang Victoria's Secret. Eto. I think this one is yung pinili niya na push-up bra. Ay, ang gara. Ang ganda. Yayamanin, best. Ang ganda. And merong nakasulat, Pink Love. Kita niyo yung nakasulat? Pink Love. And pink nga naman talaga siya. Hindi, tatak yung pink. Ang kapal, push-up bra to. Ito siguro, pwede kong i-try to para makita nyo, masabi ko sa inyo, ano yung size ko, diba? 34C kasi ako. 34C. Since tumaba ako ng konti. Hindi lang konti, madami. But anyways, ayan, push-up bra to. Saktong-sakto kapag meron kang ganitong color na bra, parang skin tone, magiging seamless yung pag suot mo ng damit kasi hindi siya makikita, 'di ba? Ito yung ito yung first one. Try natin yan kasi pwede naman yan. Hindi naman mazago yan. Hindi naman mazagwa. Ito naman yung other. Oh, ano to? Ganito lang pala to. Alam ko si hubby ko pumili nito eh. Ito. Ganyan lang siya. Wala siyang foam. Ay, grabe siya. Wala siyang... Ay, ganyan lang to. Ay! Ang sexy! Jeez! This is 34C. Holy smoky mountain top. I cannot show you how this looks like. It's so sexy. And then I got two underwear. Let's see the underwear. This one. This first one. First underwear. Alam mo, nabigla lang ako. Sabi niya, you wanna order, Victoria's Secret? Ang kilig. Ito yung, ay, sexy, oh. Oh my gosh! Bel gosh! Ay! O, diba? O, diba? Oh my gosh. This is, ang ganda ng tela talaga. Kapag mahal talaga, maganda ang tela. Ang ganda. I love it. I like that. Parang ginawa niya, terno. Siya nag-final order eh. So, siya tinerno niya, black. And then, itong last is, skin tone. So, eto siya. Eto yung other color. Kinuha niyan the same color. Pero ito parang tong. And the style, sexy. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Titurno ko sila. So, ganyan siya. Tapos si Bambam, censored, ganon. OMG. So, ayun lang. Ang sweet ni hubby, no? Ito yung resibo ng Victoria's Secret. Ayan. Check gift return. Kung magpapa-return ka. And these are the prices of the item. Walang prices. Quantity lang, tsaka color. And, sinabmit ako ng para siyang invoice, pero wala siyang prices. So, that's it. Ita-try ko siya na mabilis lang. I-show ko sa inyo, maybe yung black, magpuput ako ng something para hindi makita yung, alam nyo na, para hindi tayo paluin ni Lola, diba? But, okay, ita-try na natin. Take note, 34C ako, so ganun yung size ko. And, medium ako sa panty. So, check ko yung undies. Hug and kiss muna sa baby ko. Hug and kiss. So, let's do it, okay? Let's wait. This is what I'm wearing right now. Excuse my dirty mirror. This is the bralette. It is only $15 Canadian. And this kimono is only $20. And look at how fabulous I am, diba? I love my outfit. And then high-waisted pants. I had it for a while. And this Brianna earrings for $20. So check out my website at www.contempairs.com. Diba? Let's try the Victoria's Secret now. Here's the first bra without wire, but it is push-up. It's very comfortable, guys. Ang ganda niya. Parang nakakalaki siya ng boobie. And then, ang ganda nung garter dito. Tapos, ang haba ng adjustable. So, ang ganda ng back. So, I'll show you the back. Ayan. You can make it cross. And then, any design, pwedeng cross siya. Yeah, cross lang pala pwede. Ang ganda, di ba? Mukha akong mayaman. Just kidding. Ang ganda ng Victoria's Secret na to. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Push up tapos, kasi hindi ako fan ng wire. So, sabi ko sa hubby ko, kung bibilin mo ako, gusto ko yung something na hindi ako masasaktan. Kasi since nga tumaba ako, parang nasisikipan na ako dito. Kaya gusto ko yung non-wire. Kung magkakaroon nga ako sa clothing, sa line ko sa Contempairs, gusto ko ganito paggawa ko yung walang wire na underwear o lingerie. So, moving on tayo sa next bra, but yung underwear. So, eto yung underwear na biniling terno ni hubby. Hindi ko na siya ita-try, pero super cute. I know it's gonna fit me. Try na natin yung isa, but I will put silicone bra para hindi makita yung nipple ko, okay? One na yung last ko. Ito may wire siya. So madalang ko lang masusuot to siguro kasi di nga ako fan ng may wire. Baka masusuot ko lang siya kapag gusto kong i-hide yung something, yung sa damit ko para seamless siya. Check nyo, hindi siya makikita yung hindi makikita yung aking utong, nipple, kasi nga, dark naman siya, kaya hindi ko na kailangan lagyan ng silicone. Kasi kung lagyan ko pang silicone, makikita siya. Eto na. Ito yung last. Ito yung last na nakuha niya. Very nice. Comfortable naman siya kahit meron siyang wire. Kahit wala siyang foam, okay lang. Pero I think I'm gonna add kapag gusto kong medyo malaki yung boobie, diba? Yung ganyan siya. Ganon. But yes, it's cute. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ito. And magbigyan ko kayo ng idea to order online in Victoria's Secret. So thank you for watching. And it's good to be back. If you want to be inspired and get motivated in life, consider joining my squad. This is Melanie, aka Contempairs. I'll see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. Bye!